Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So I just wanted to come and share something real quick with you. So if you have lashes and you want to like thicken them up a little bit, you can, and you like more like natural lashes, I think the Ardell lashes, and this is the Lift Effect by Ardell. Okay, so if I ain't saying it right, y'all say it the way you want to say it. You can say it Ardell, whatever you want to say it. But look, this is all about what's in the package. So these lashes come in there. Alright, these lashes come in there. And don't get me wrong, girl. You know, these are the best lashes you can buy because the lash is really like natural, and it's like even her dramatic, or even the brand Dramatic lashes still look authentic. Halisha, is that the good way to say it? Authentic? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So it's really nice. Alright, these are the best lashes you can buy, seriously. Now, however, the lift is more so, it's thick, but it's thin, and something is going on with the glue or whatever stuff they have here that is sticky, causing, every time I try to get the lash off, I got so many of them, but I've been pissed off because every time I try to reach in with my, my curling, even though I know you can use like tweezers, but these are the curling lashes thing here, but I like using this to put my lashes on because it's really freaking easy. However, these lashes are like super thin, and this thing here trying to get it off is like, I'm like, if something like this is trying to get it off, obviously I like to use thick lashes or whatever, but something like this, with a little bit of weight trying to pull it off, I mean, it's going to be strong. It's either going to come off or it's going to tear. Hell, and that's what's been happening. They've been tearing. So I've come up with a solution, like whatever this is, it is really, really strong. Okay? So slow down. Pull these off like you would do regular lashes, like that, holding your hand. Alright, so I got one on already. I hope it's still on alright, because it was real strong, girl, but I got to moving it because I had it on the wrong side, and I kept feeling that irritation. I said, now girl, these lashes ain't even that thick. I don't need to cut them, so they are natural. I shouldn't feel anything in here because of the lightness, the lightweight of these lashes, and it's a little sticky script there. And I'm gonna tell you what I done figured out. I'm just gonna take this because girl, it'd be hard for me to see what laminate glue on them lashes, girl. But hey, Adele. Hello, how are ya? Hello, it's me. I was wondering, you say it's like, you see, girl, look at this. No glue. I didn't put no glue on this thing. I don't know if y'all, know about this, but I ain't did none of that. Look, girl, them lashes on right, honey. I ain't got to do no squeezes. You might squeeze one time, but apart from that, this sticky substance is made to hold those lashes on your eyes. Now, I believe that when the glue runs dull, you need to throw these out. But hey, if it ain't broke just yet, I'm gonna put some glue on there myself and put them back on here. But I'm pretty sure this lash glue is really strong enough to last probably about 3 days if you don't use like any kind of acetones to like help remove your makeup. Use anything with like harsh acid in it. You know, but if you just can go around there, like I can wear these every day, okay? Because tonight this is gonna have to come off. Because I use some stuff that's strong in natural acids to take my makeup off. And I know this ain't gonna withstand it, but if it withstand that, then okay. Because I can't sleep in my makeup. Girl, I can't sleep in my makeup, but it's people who can, and I can see that happening, and I can see you being comfortable. So, like, they're so real looking, and I really would like to see what happened. I want to try this MAC mascara. Okay, so I want to know what's going to happen if I do this. Damn, it made them look like more fuller. It made this look more real, you know. Oh, girl, I really recommend that you do this when you wearing these lashes. Girl, you can, like, treat them like they're yours. I know I talk too much, but I just wanted to make sure I told y'all what these things do, okay? Because I don't want nobody to say I didn't say nothing. I don't want nobody to say that they know they ain't have to buy no glue. I see y'all in my next video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this to come. I don't even know why I'm talking to y'all like y'all know me. I don't know why I'm talking to y'all like y'all know me. Happy Mother's Day. However, I don't know when you're going to get this video. Hopefully it be like around Mother's Day night. Because, girl, this Mother's Day is something different for me, girl. I have experienced some stuff, girl. But anyway, hey, happy Mother's Day. Because that's a part of being a mother. Because you got to do what you got to do to be a mother and be a good mother. And sometimes you might get your feelings rammed against. But at the end of the day, don't stop. Don't change who you are. Just get better. Get a better who you are. So you can know whose you are. You know, get a better understanding of who you are. So that you can be the best self of who you are now and yet to come. I hope that bless you. But, because, you know, I don't preach and all them things. Bye. See y'all later. Girl, look at these lashes. For y'all roll out of here. Look at them. They look so real. Oh, is this one still on? Girl, it's still on. Girl, it's still on. Bye. See y'all later.